Since Article 21A is implemented by the RT Act, let us take a quick look at some of the important aspects of this Act. This Act mandates free and compulsory education for all children of ages from 6 years to 14 years. It says that children cannot be failed or detained or be required to pass any state or central board exam till the completion of their elementary education. It also specifies the student-teacher ratio, school infrastructure, school working hours, and teachers' working hours. This Act also bans capitation fees or compulsory donations. It also provides for the 25% EWS reservation in private schools. It has guidelines on the learning process, the curriculum, and the evaluation methodologies to be used in schools. It also talks about the qualification and training of teachers. This Act also prohibits private tuitions so that all children are treated equally. And various bodies and authorities are constituted under this Act at national, state, and local levels to ensure the implementation and monitoring of this Act. Based on what we have already discussed in this series, I want you to do a small activity. The RTE Act prohibits private tuitions by teachers. So does this prohibition conflict with any fundamental right? If your answer is yes, which one and why? And if your answer is no, then why not? You can post your answers and arguments in the comments.